Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your Yuzu Android build and Android OS level so you don't chase incompatible files. Once confirmed, backup NAND and all save data to avoid loss if you must reinstall. Then obtain the correct prod keys and firmware. Missing or wrong keys cause question mark titles. Now place keys and firmware into Yuzu's expected folders. You do this first because a bad key or missing firmware is the most common cause of unknown games. Next, focus on the game files themselves. Verify the ROM dump integrity and proper file naming so Yuzu can read headers. Corrupted headers show as question marks. Once done, refresh Yuzu's cache and ensure your game scan paths include the folder you place the dump in, because Yuzu relies on scanning to populate metadata. If Yuzu still shows unknown, convert the file to a supported format. One standardized container often fixes detection issues and lets Yuzu parse title information. Finally, update Yuzu and your GPU drivers, then apply per-game configuration tweaks such as shader cache settings because performance or detection can hinge on those options. Try launching, read the log for title ID, missing assets, or key errors to see why it stayed a question mark. If it still fails, reinstall keys, redump the game cleanly, or reset Yuzu's config. These steps correct corrupted configs and bad dumps. One tip, check the log first. It usually points to the exact missing piece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.